What's going on YouTube? Back here with another video. Name's Matt Prout. Today I got my Pro Circuit Ti-6 exhaust in. I ended up getting a full titanium system. Shout out to Pro Circuit. They were all out of stock and they worked with me on the price too. So big shout out to them. I'll have the link in the description below. Today I'm going to show you guys how to install this system on a 2024 Honda CRF 250RX. As of right now, I have the stock exhaust on and everything. It still sounds really good. Stock. I'll play a short little clip. So it sounds great even though it's stock, but I just want something that looks a little bit nicer. The titanium would look great as I torched it already. We're going to go ahead and install this on the bike today. If you guys want to see how to make your header pipe this color, go ahead and click on my channel below, and I have a nice little YouTube video showing you how to get your titanium this type of color. First step is we'll need to remove our OEM side panel right here. Little bolt right here. It is a 8mm, so just take your ratchet socket and unscrew this. And then just like that, your side panel should just slide right off, nice and easy. As it's just like your air filter side too, your air filter panel. Next you'll want to go ahead and loosen up this muffler clamp right here. So this is also just an 8mm bolt. And then you got a 10mm right here. Put this washer and bolt off to the side. Next we have a mounting bolt right here, kind of like where your mid pipe is. Take out this 10mm and then, alright, and just give it a nice little wiggle. And it should come right off. Just be careful so you don't scratch all your stuff. The exhaust taken off right now. So all we have on right now is our mid pipe. Alright guys, this is a 12mm bolt right here. You actually have one on each side. So all you need to do is just remove that for your head pipe to come off. So let's go ahead and do that. Alright, so that nut came off. I just gotta get the other one off real quick. Off. Pro Circuit gave you this anti-seize, and you actually want to take your head pipe, your exit end, which would be right here. You want to put this anti-seize all the way around. So let's go ahead and apply that. You want to add it to the inside of this. Just go around the rim of it. All done with that part. Now we can install the head pipe. Alright guys, just grab your mid pipe. Stick it on in there. And then you actually just want to put these on finger tight. As you got a little bit of play in it when you're trying to install your other part. Don't forget to apply your anti-seize. So I'm just gonna go ahead and fish this through on the side. Try to line it up as best as possible. I'm gonna go ahead and get this bolt all put in. Wipe off that anti-seize real quick. We just got our other bolt right up here. So get this lined up. Alright guys, got everything all installed on the bike. Let's go ahead and torque everything down to spec, because right now everything's just finger tight. And then let's see how she looks. So, pretty happy with what it looks like. Let's put back on this panel. Alright, we're good. Got the exhaust all put on. It looks a lot different. The thing looks cool. I like it a lot. Again, big shout out to Pro Circuit. Looks sick. Again, I got the Ti-6 Pro Circuit full titanium exhaust. The purple, blue, the blue kind of matches out a little bit. So, I don't know. It looks kind of cool. I like it. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. I'll let you guys hear it outside and everything real quick. Still do have the spark resonator in it. So, I have not taken that out at all. So, this will be with the spark resonator in it. questions, shoot some comments below, and we'll see you guys next time.